Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now today, we are opening up a whole heap of cars from the 2020 B case, so let's get straight into it. First up, it's Carbonator, car 2 of 5 in the Fast Foodie series. Next up, it's the custom 18 Ford Mustang GT, car 3 of 10 in the Muscle Mania series. Next up, it's Wheelie Chair, car 4 of 5 in the Hot Wheels Ride-Ons. Now let's check out Hyper Rocker from the Baja Blazers, car 9 of 10. A really popular one this year, it's the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo from the Porsche series, car 1 of 5. Next up, it's Gruppo X24 in the Hot Wheels Trackstar series, car 3 of 5. Now let's take a look at Chill Mill in the Fast Foodie series, car 3 of 5. One of my favorites for the case, the Hot Wheels Armored Truck in the Hot Wheels Metro series, car 4 of 10. Maybe you can spot the error. Now this is definitely a cool one from the Toon series, car 5 of 10. Now up, the Ford GT40 from the Hot Wheels Race Day series, car 8 of 10. This is also a super treasure hunt in the 2020 B case. A really big favourite this time around, it's RV There Yet, car 1 of 10 from the Tooned series. Another one from the Trackstar series, it's Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, car 1 of 5. We'll finish it up with a couple of Porsches, the Porsche 917 LH, car 4 of 5 in the Porsche series. Now the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo in the Porsche series, car 3 of 5. Okay, one last one. The Custom 71 El Camino in the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series, car 8 of 10. Alright everyone, big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Let me know which is your favorite of the cars we opened up here today from the 2020 B case in the comments below. Thanks everyone.